Now you can see this is our latest lighting kits. This is all parts of this kit. Now you can see there are two screws, lens, heatsink, and the ring. It's very easy to install. Now I'll show you. You connect the driver, pull up the COB here, and then the totally kit is working. It can be turned on to light. Now the advantage of it, I can show you simply. With different angles, we have 50, 24, 38 for options. Now the advantage, you can see this is very small and there is a very deep anti-glare wing. It is suitable for so many places such as hotels, lounge, kitchenware, and shopping mall. Now, this anti-glare wing, we can have certain kinds of colors. For example, 6 colors for your options for different places. Now, for the service, you can see here. The service, we have many sizes for options, such as 70, 83, 93, and 109. And for the cut hole here, we have 65, 75, 85, and 100. And it is suitable for such famous brands such as Queen, Sharp, Citizen, and so on.